Svarga Cilimus House by PSA Studio. Svarga Cilimus is a two-bedroom villa located in Kuningan, West Java, Indonesia. It sits on a 2,300 sqm rice field. The surrounding is a village of farmers who make a living by running their rice fields. What becomes the main attraction of Svarga is the view of Ciremai mountain, which is very close and uninterrupted. The program is to have a place to escape from the busy life of Jakarta, which is only about 3 hours ride by car. The place should occupy as minimum as it can be from the rice field. The place should also be maximum open to enjoy the view of Ciremai mountain and the rice fields. We positioned the building alongside the width of the land so that every room will enjoy the mountain view. The mass of the building is thin to allow sunlight to come through all the rooms. The mountain view side is all covered by glass, while the street side has a different treatment. The street side is all covered by the clay roof to make sure the people inside the building will have a private environment. We used the contemporary approach to respond to the tropical issue. All the rooms are covered by a single shape of roof that stretches from the car porch, fish pond, dining, and kitchen to the bedrooms. The building is uplifted from the ground to create as if it floats from the rice fields. The clay roof looks dominant to the building as responds to the surrounding village houses, which used similar materials for the roof. Steels are chosen to be the main structure considering the fast construction. Each of the materials used in this project is expressed as it is: steel, clay roofs, glass, and concrete for the walls and floors.